Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is your man KR, and I will be the one hosting this little brief introduction of Ferrari Cash. This is something that's super simple, super exciting at the same time, and we're helping people to, sustain a comfortable lifestyle during these hard times. COVID-19 caused a shakeup in the world, and a lot of people are displaced financially. So this is just something where we're helping each other. It's nothing big, just something to help each other to, make a little extra cash as we, go through these hard times. So I'm gonna get started so I can get you in and get you out. This is Ferrari Cash, and we are a great program that's helping people to move forward. Ferrari Cash has 7 powerful gifting boards that are helping our members to become more prosperous, guys. That's what we want to do, help you to prosper during these times. We have 7 boards. We have a 25, 50, 100, 200, 400, 800, and our powerful big boy $1,600 board, right? These boards can help anybody to sustain a great lifestyle during these hard times. Super fun is this program, guys. This is something that is super fun. Ferrari Cash is a fun and easy way to put unlimited 25, 50, 100, 200, 400, 800, and $16 donations into their bank account, guys. This can help you to get a little extra cash, like I say, pay those bills, get that gasoline that's soaring right now, and to just sustain a great life. All you need is $25 to get started, and you will start receiving donations over here at Ferrari Cash. Step 1, grab a position on the $25 board. Step 2, advance on the board until you reach the Ferrari 25 cockpit. That's what we call it, the cockpit, which is the payout seat. And you're going to receive 2 $25 payments, and then you're going to drop back down onto the board with one of those $25 payments and put the other one in your pocket. Complete 2 rounds of this, and you can upgrade to the 50 and continue that progression through all of the boards. That way you will take possession of them quick and easy. Let's go over here and take a look right now at a little demo, guys. I'm going to show you how a straight line cycler works, just for illustration purposes only, so that you'll get it. So we're going to call everybody John. Everybody is John Doe on this demonstration. Now this is my live site because I want to be able to, you see here, click and move pieces so that you can get it. It's only going to take a few minutes and we'll be done. So let's just say John Doe is in place, right? And then John Doe number 2 is going to send John Doe $25. That's the 25 you see right there. So now when John Doe number 3 comes in, falls down on the board, bam. John Doe number 1 will receive that extra $25. He's going to leave 25 of the 50 he just collected on the board and drop back down. Wow, look at that. Bam. John Doe number 2 moves up. He's now in the board because John Doe number 1 is out. But look what happened. There's a $25 waiting on him already because of the simple fact John Doe bought his way back onto the board and left that for John Doe number 2. Now John Doe number 4 is going to come in. Let me move everybody up. Bam. Bam. Remember now, John Doe number 4 just came in, sending $25 to John Doe number 2. Now, because John Doe number 2 already had $25 there and he's only collecting 50, when John Doe number 4 sent that 25 up, look what happened. John Doe number 1 came out. John Doe number 2, I'm so sorry. Trying to keep up with my John Does here. John Doe number 2 came out. John Doe number 3 goes in. Bam. You see, that's what it's like. Every time somebody comes in, somebody comes out. Bam. Now, what's going to happen is, let me move my team up. Got to keep them moving up. Keep you guys fresh. See what happens when somebody goes up, you move up. So now, John Doe number 5 is going to come in. Bam. Woohoo! John Doe number 5 is going to send $25 to John Doe number 3. But remember, John Doe number 3 already had 25 when they sat in the seat because the previous John Doe left that for them to buy their way back onto the board. Okay, so now John Doe number 5 is in. John Doe number 3 now has that second $25. Bam, they're out. You're going to do 2 rounds of this. Once you do 2 rounds of this, then you're going to advance to the $50 board, and it's going to work the same way on all of the higher boards. Now, John Doe number 1, now check this out. John Doe number 1 is getting ready to go back in. Now, this is where it gets important. John Doe number 1 is back in. He's about to do his second round of receiving contributions. John Doe number 6 is coming in. I'll move him up after I drop 6 down there. John Doe number 6 is coming in. Bam. Are you seeing this, guys? This is super simple. Nothing hard about what it is we're doing here. Making money in advance, and that's it. Right, now look at this, guys. Oh, I blew it. Okay, so John Doe number 4 is already up, up, up. I was trying to group it, but that didn't work. Here we go. No problem. So, as we see, John Doe number 1 now, because 6 fell in, John Doe number 1 received that second round. He already had 25 waiting in the seat when he got there. I think that's what keeps this going, guys, because when somebody buy back in on the board, they leave it for the person that's incoming. So now John Doe is going to fall back down on this board. He has $50 in cash now in his pocket, right? He's reactivated this board. Number 4 is going up, right? Bam, number 4. Now, what John Doe is getting ready to do with his $50, John Doe is getting ready to upgrade to the 50. So now he's going to have the $25 board actively moving and the 50 now. You see that? Because he made enough money. He circled twice. He made 2 rounds. After his second round, he was able to upgrade, and that will happen on all of the boards, guys. All of the boards. Let's put our last person in. John Doe number 7 comes in. Bam. Since John Doe number, who is that, 4, $25 for a total of 50, because it was 25 waiting on John Doe number 4 when they go in the seat. So now John Doe number 4 falls up out of there, guys. You see that? 1 in, 1 out. Booyah. Bow. Bow. You see that? Super simple, guys. John Doe number 2 is about to go in for his second round. After his second round, he's going to come up out of there with 50 bucks total now, and then he is going to advance to the $50 board, leaving the $25 board running because there was a $25 left for him. Guys, do you see how simple this is? That's pretty much it, man. You see we have a lot of space on the board that needs to be filled. So you guys get over here, share this with your people. There's no recruiting required, but if you want to share this with people, definitely do that. Share this with people, give them an opportunity to make an executive decision over their life, and do they want to get a little extra cash coming in. So this is your man KR for this brief little breakdown, and I appreciate you stopping by, and I will see you on the inside of Ferrari Cash. Take care.